Hi there, students. Purview. Okay, purview is a noun. It's talking about the scope or the range of something. So the purview of his responsibility, the extent, what it covers. So this job is within the purview of his job description. Okay, so purview, the range. It could talk about the range of vision, what you are able to see. So with a pair of binoculars, he managed to extend his purview much further, what he could see. We can use purview to talk about the range of understanding or experience. So with his purview, he's going to find this concept very difficult to understand. This job is going to be difficult for him to tackle because he doesn't have enough purview. Okay, this word purview can also be used in a legal sense. The purview here talks about a statute, but it talks about the part of the statute which really makes things happen. Yeah, it's not the preamble, it's what's actually going to happen, although this is quite an unusual word. So his purview, his breadth of understanding of something, his outlook about this, the scope of an operation, the scope of a concern, yeah, the view of something that you can see. This matter is beyond the purview of the court. It's not something that this court can deal with. It is the purview of a higher court. Yeah, it's outside the purview of this this court or this law. Okay, so the purview, the range or limit of authority, competence, responsibility, intention. Yeah. Okay, this matter comes under the purview of the sales department. Yeah, this is the responsibility of the manager. It comes under his purview. The purview of a diplomat is to smooth relations or relationships with other countries. The English language is my purview in this channel. Advanced English ideas, vocabulary, grammar, things like that. Could you define the purview of what I need to achieve in this project? What things does it cover and what things does it not cover? In this video, I hope to provide a purview of the uses and meanings of the word a purview. Okay, that was good. So, how formal is this? This is a really formal word. This I'm going to give a 7.5, an 8 in formality. For something less formal, I'd use range or scope. Is going to be much, much, much easier. And then, as to origin, okay, this comes from Old French and originally from Latin provideo, which comes from provide, but it's influenced by the word of view and look, so the view that you have. Okay, so a purview, the scope of something, the range of interest or control, the range of understanding, and then finally the business part of a legal statute. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Purview.